how to rewrite the PDF using WriteSonic. So if you want to actually do that, what you can do is you can head over and click on this general writing that you can see right here. So WriteSonic has a lot of tools that you can actually use. And then once you have clicked on them, you can see in here a lot more. So for example, for this, you can head over and scroll down and you can see in here a lot of tools. For this case, I'll just choose this content replacer because this will rewrite the PDF that I want. Now in here, in order to rewrite a PDF, you can head over and click on this upload file. So you can upload in here a PDF file up to 10 megabytes. Click on this upload document. And then from in there, you can head over and then put in here a document that you want to use. So from there, click on this next, and then this will add that content. Now from in here, once it's been added, you can tweak the basic settings as well as the additional configuration, as well as SEO optimized keywords. So let's just head over and then wait for this content to be added. Now, as you can see, it has the basic settings of English and the content length. You can keep the content length or make it shorter. So for this one, I'll head over and make it much shorter. From there, click on next. And then as you can see, it uses 5 credits. You can also tweak it using the additional configuration and a lot more. For this one, I'll just head over and click on rewrite right here. And then from in there, this will rewrite the document that I have added earlier. So let's just wait for this to rewrite the actual document that we have added. So as you can see, it has rewritten document that we have added right here. It's still loading, but you can still see now some options or some results that they made. So that's how you write a PDF using WriteSonic. Hope we helped.